And if you see sometimes some mistakes and things and wrongs at your homes, then remember the first thing. Did you establish the salah properly at home? That's the first question. Start from that. And if the salah is established properly, then everything else will be rectified, inshallah. Cause nothing. There is no sin equivalent to abandoning the salah. There are no sin equivalent apart from the shirk. As we know that Allah Azza wa Jal told us in the Quran, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَغْفِرُ أَن يُشْرَكَ بِهِ وَيَغْفِرُ مَا دُونَ ذَلِكَ لِمَن يَشَاءُ. Allah will never forgive or pardon associating with Him partners. And Allah could forgive and pardon anything below that. And some of the scholars of Islam believe, they said abandoning the salah, it is an act of kufr, meaning the person is out of the fold of Islam, wal-'iyadhu billah. So it is enough sin that the scholars of Islam, they debate about those individuals, those ones who are belittling the importance of the salah. And I'm not talking about verbally they're belittling it. They are belittling it with their actions. By delaying the salah, by not considering the salah as important. So those ones that the scholars of Islam, some of the scholars of Islam believe that they are doubting about the faith of this individual. They doubt about the Islam of this individual. So that's why, my brothers and sisters, start with that. And of course, we know that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, alayhi salatu wasalam, about even establishing the faith of Allah Azza wa Jal at homes.